action, we're back in the action base. Alright boys, the time has finally come to unbox Polo G's new jewelry brand, old jewelry brand, bro. This thing took about half a year to come in, maybe a little longer. Apparently Polo G turned into a beaver bitch and went into hibernation over the winter. Forgot to ship my package. Even with his music, man, I think that guy's full on retired. I can't even use his name for views anymore. But worst case of it all, I don't know if you guys remember, but a little while ago, actually in the summer, I had to make an open letter to Polo G, a YouTube video, an open YouTube video diary, speak my heart, saying, hey Polo G, I made a video buying your jewelry in a video, you feel what I'm saying? Then all of a sudden you guys started coming after me months later being like, bro, you lied, you did that for views, you didn't actually order it. Well, I did. I showed the proof and I said, Polo G, give me what I want now. This isn't a threat, but I'm gonna pull up my dogs on you, you know? Canada, you know, you don't want to frick with us, crapper, asshole. Anyway, it's finally here, boys. It's been like a frickin', like I say, almost a damn year. We're gonna check out Polo G's brand. I spent a good $250 on this, if I remember correct. And you guys know what we're about to unbox. I'm a big fan of. Now, am I gonna wear this? Absolutely not. I'm gonna look like an asshole. However, maybe some of you guys want to wear it. And then maybe we'll give it away if we get 1,000 thumbs up in 2 days down below. 1,000 thumbs up. I'll give this away to one of you guys. $250 value, easy. Maybe resell value, you know, it's all free. Shipping paid for. Just kidding, you gotta pay shipping. Just kidding, you don't. Alright, let's get into it, boys. Real quick, NameBranFan.com, our jewelry website. You can get 2 free pieces of jewelry for the price of 1 shipping on the website. Don't buy 1 piece, add 2 to your cart, price of 1 shipping. We also got mystery boxes on there, boys. $24.99, there's $55 worth of value in it, and if you are lucky, we're gonna choose 1 person who bought a mystery box to send a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. This is your choice to pick, you know? So, NameBranFan.com, thanks for sponsoring. Our only sponsors left. Apparently you can't call your sponsors assholes or something. Weird. Alright, time to get into it, boys. You know, we're gonna grade this realistically. We're talking about how's the box look. We like a good, tightly wrapped box. We also are gonna look at the diamond quality. We might even diamond test it if I think it's safe. Oh, shoot. Almost cut off my 8-pack. That was crazy. But yeah, already points off. You're not sending me this on time. Been about 8 months. Anyway, boys. Let's get it. It's over. This is what I'm expecting, boys. It actually happened in my display case because I once respected you, Polo bitch. Ah, no, that doesn't work. Polo gitch. Polo G gitch. This is what I expected. A nice box like this. This is actually the same box off his drop that I bought this jewelry from. Hall of Fame. Real nice box. Not anymore! Ever again! Polo G, pissed off already, bro. Alright, anyway, this is what we're looking at, boys. Damn. Okay, I take it all back. If I was a smart man and they got this to me on time, I may have used this jewelry box for proposing to my girlfriend instead of the recycled one that I already had, you know? It's a nice box, I can say that. Size 9! I literally ordered it to my ring size. Oh, that's so lame, Brandon. Oh, I thought I was gonna... Okay, anyway, we got size 9, Polo G's jewelry brand. Let's go. Oh, shit. Okay, I think we're good. We got the Hall of Fame. How did I order that in my size, man? What a loser am I? We got Polo G's Hall of Fame, his brand. Now, what we're gonna do is I am going to wear this for a few days. Happily. Going back on everything I just said. I'm gonna come back to you guys in another video, seeing if this gold wears off. But of course it's not real gold. $250 value. I mean, it is not hollow. You're a f***ing scam artist, aren't you, brother? You piece of absolute crap. We're missing a diamond too. We're missing a diamond too. Does it suck or not, boys? That's probably gonna be in the title. Although that diamond might have been for me. I did drop the thing. I'm sweating out of fear right now in anger. I could have spent $250 helping out with an NFT, and I got a world champion HOF for Hall of Fame. What the hell does that say? Okay, if you're gonna diamond it out, bro, make sure we can read the damn thing. I can't even read it in person. Heart of Giant. That doesn't... bad grammar. Bad overall. Heart of Giant 2021. Okay, so here's our Hall of Fame ring, boys. What else do you want? This is the best part, to be honest, the damn box. This right here you can get off AliExpress for, I don't know, 40 bucks. Easy. You feel what I'm saying? Although it is heavy, we are gonna diamond test it, because sometimes with crappy diamond testers, in my experience, some of this fake stuff passes passes, you know what I mean? So we're gonna test it real quick. Polo G, suck a big one. You've taken my money and you've bent me over and without even taking me to dinner. You know what I mean? It's ridiculous. We got a damn missing diamond, and maybe it wouldn't be missing if this box actually held it incorrect. You know what I mean? It's lazy. I'm really trying to be hard on the guy because I'm just real mad about not getting this in on time, but no, honesty, it's good quality. It's not hollow, which is a big thing. It's a heavy ring. It still sucks. Let me get the diamond tester. I'm pissed off now. Unless this passes, then we got a damn video title. And then I'm happy with you again, Polo G. Polo Gooch. Alright, here we go, you frickin' cocker spaniels. We got the frickin' diamond tester here. I mean, best case scenario, passes, we're all making money, you know what I mean? Still on the website. Maybe it's sold out, I'm not sure. This isn't even working. This whole thing is dead. Oh, there's the light, there's the light, let's go! Yes, yes, okay. Frick, I thought I fricked up for a second. And it's dead. Video over, screw it. Shoot, I was supposed to give that away. Oh, shoot. Sorry guys, I was supposed to give this away. It's a little damaged, but it could be better. Like, it could be worse. Definitely could be worse. Little damage there, came like that. Polo G, I want my money back. Oh, see, now the light's on again. Oh, now it's working! We did it for the wrong reason, bro. Okay, okay, well, diamond tester engaged. Nothing! It's worthless! It's absolutely worthless! Well, video over. Appreciate you guys for watching. Polo G, your brand isn't half bad. Bye. Yikes, I forgot I needed that for the thumbnail. So last, shoot. Yikes. And the box. I was gonna use the damn Polo G box that I destroyed for the thumbnail. We're all fricked up. Alright, bye. I'm gonna take some Photoshop now. Frick.